In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use CrewAI Studio GUI. Firstly, make sure you have Python and Node.js installed. In your terminal, run pip install CrewAI, then CrewAI Studio. This will launch the GUI in your browser, usually at localhost. Once the interface loads, click New Project. Name your project and choose a template or start from scratch. Then click Create to enter the canvas view. Now click the plus agent button. Define the agent's name, role, goal, and choose a language model like GPT-4 or Claude. You can use assigned tools like web browsing, code execution, and document reading. Now click plus task and assign the task to an agent. Write the instructions and optionally set dependencies or outputs. Tasks can run in the parallel or sequential order. Use the GUI lines to connect agents to their tasks and define the order of operations to control how the workflow executes. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.